You've been all sick and tired of this Mazda 3 headlights, and now we just gotta take out all the old stuff and install the Koito. I'm gonna go from this way, installing the Koito new lights, and that will solve the problem. By the end of the day, when it hits the night, we can see how it works. We can just do that. Oh, one thing. Before I wanted to install the Koito aftermarket headlights. These are the Koito ones that they go for Lexus and Toyota. We tried to install this. This is the also a Toyota LED headlights for Corolla, but it was so much long. That's actually, look how long it is. Even if you fit it in there, it's gonna go against this shield, so you won't be able to do it because it's very long or tall or whatever it is. But we're gonna go for the Koito because it's if you put in comparison between these and this, even with the lens, it's even way more shorter. So I went for this Koito. Now, this is actually a depot. It is another brand. It's kind of generic, but it works. Hopefully this will solve the problem of the Mazda 3 weak low beam forever. And also on the high beam, I'm gonna install this LED. It's also generic, I think. I hope I'll cut some wires so it can fit to the male-female plug. And let's see what's gonna happen. So this is how they look like right now. They look pretty nice. Pretty bright. And guess what? They made a little trick. When you give a high beam, you have two high beams. One from the Koito itself, because it's dual beam, and one from the other one that is the high beam that is OEM. 1 minute, I'm going to show you. Look at that. We have two high beams. Alright, that's so bright. That is so bright. That is so freaking bright. Yeah. Well, that's accomplishment, guys. That's accomplishment. No more weak, fucked up OEM Mazda thing. No more weak beams. We're gonna see during the night. So I'm gonna install everything back again. These things. We're gonna go here. Put everything back in place. And then we can proceed. Guys, now it's the time. Here is it. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, look at this. So beautiful. Okay, let's try the high beam. very strong, but there is something not. Yeah, everything's okay. Cool. Let's go. Now it's these are headlights.